May it please your lordship, this is a dispute between two ladies, both of whom are claiming to be the wife of Ashish Sharma. Now, Lord, my client, Lord, is Mithilesh Sharma, and her name was recorded in all service records. But, Lord, when my husband died, I went to claim the amount. They said, no. There's another lady called Namita Sharma. She is also claiming to be the wife. No kids. मेरा एक बच्चा है, उसका कोई kid. And they said, you go and obtain the succession certificate. I went and obtained the succession certificate. When I obtained the succession certificate, she did not challenge that succession certificate, which has attained finality. On the contrary, she filed OA in the tribunal.
Was this asset mentioned, was this right mentioned in the succession certificate?
What was
this dues that are there?
It was.
Where is the succession? What page is the succession certificate?
My succession certificate, I have filed, Lord. That is at page
of which assets?
Page number. कौन सा वाला? Mithileshwari. My succession certificate is filed P7, my lord. And the party's name. वो जो ऑर्डर किया ना, the order said कि दूसरी औरत को भी आप पार्टी बना के you obtain succession certificate. That was their order, which is under challenge in CAT. So that is what I did. I did not challenge that order. She challenged.
No. Did you make her a party in the succession certificate?
Yes.
She was a party?
Yes.
Now, just read what is this succession certificate for?
Succession certificate, Mithilesh Sharma, this succession. आवेदिका द्वारा प्रस्तुत मौखिक एवं दस्तावेजी साक्ष्य के आधार पर आवेदिका गण द्वारा प्रस्तुत आवेदन अंतर्गत धारा 372 भारतीय उत्तराधिकार अधिनियम स्वीकार कर आदेशित किया जाता है कि आवेदिका गण का विधिवत न्याय शुल्क अदा करने पर आवेदिका गण के पक्ष में डीपीओ साउथ सेंट्रल सोइंसो की लीव सैलरी इतने CGEIS इतने रुपए, DCRC 1 लाख इतने रुपए, कुल राशि 2,18,000 जितने रुपए अक्षरी सोइंसो की स्थिति में यदि कोई हो तो, और यदि कोई हो तो एवं फैमिली पेंशन हो तो उत्तराधिकार प्रमाण पत्र जारी किया जावे.
And this subject dispute is in respect of what?
The subject matter of the instant OA was the order, my lord, annexure.
Is in respect to with what recoveries? Same.
But
is in respect of which asset?
All these assets.
These assets which are part of the succession certificate or something different?
No, the family pension is the same. All these terminal benefits are the same which are mentioned.
Oh, you see, succession certificate, you give the list of assets of the deceased. Now you have mentioned certain assets. Are they part of this petition?
Yes, my lord, they are.
That's what we are asking. Which,
my lord, please see. First, please see annexure P5, my lord.
P7 says leave salary.
My lord, please see annexure P5, my lord.
Yes.
Why we went to the tribunal, Lord? Annexure P5, my lord.
At so page number 37. The dispute is in respect of this.
This is the impugned order in CAT. This is the impugned order in CAT. That order says, page 37, annexure P5, I am reading.
Yes.
Lord, how the
My lord,
Use the mic, please.
I'm appearing for respondent number 3, my lord.
Respondent 3 is the private party.
Yes, my lord, the first.
Yes.
My lord. I am praying for a day's time to file my wakalatnama in this matter, my lord. I have preferred an MP, my lord, that is connected. In that, I have my wakalatnama, my lord.
So we'll accept that. Tell us
Yes,
what
my
is your case.
My lord, I am the first legally wedded wife, my lord.
Please tell us one thing.
Yes, my lord.
You see, probate and succession certificates are judgments in rem. Now, so long as the succession certificate stands, you have no claim. How do you claim that asset when the court has granted a succession certificate?
But my lord, they have.
Have you challenged the succession
No,
certificate?
my lord. As
Then,
per my knowledge, not challenged.
then how do you dispute the claim?
Lord, I prefer the judgments. May page number 7 may kindly be seen, my lord. Of this court only, my lord.
Page number?
Connected MP, my lord.
Yes.
Page number 7.
Page 7 of your petition.
Yes, my lord. I have preferred a judgment when it is held, my lord. Even the legal heirs have the succession
No.
certificate.
All this.
First right is of the
No,
legally
please
wedded wife.
understand this. All this may be all right, but once there is a succession certificate granted,
Yes, my lord.
then it's a judgment in rem against the entire world.
But my humble submission is that, my lord, that is not regarding the immovable and movable properties, my lord. Regarding the family pension
Now,
has been
what
dealt
is the
in this.
succession certificate granted for? That is why we asked Mr.
Yes, ma'am.
Rubra, what are the assets covered by the succession certificate? Are they the same?
It has mentioned the leave encashment and TCRG, my lord. My lord, the tribunal has held that both the
Tribunal is nobody. Succession certificate is granted, that's the end of it. You have to, either you challenge that succession certificate, if you have not challenged it, that's a
Madam, may
judgment,
grant 2
and
days
you are a party to those proceedings.
But the order has been ex parte, my lord. I have never appeared before. I have to
You
seek
may not have
instruction
appeared.
regarding the same that she has challenged the same.
You may not have appeared, but succession certificate is issued after publication to the general public to come and object.
My lord, I am praying only for 2 days. I will seek instruction from my
2
client,
days
my
for
lord.
what?
From client that she has challenged the order of succession or not, my lord.
Hasn't. Had she challenged, she would have told you.
She has not challenged.
Regarding this case also, she has not.
The succession
My lord.
certificate. Actually, the cause of succession certificate arose because of the order dated 5/3/15 Annexure P5, which was under challenge at her instance before the tribunal. That order dated 5/3/15 says that Mithilesh Sharma, my client, is mentioned as the wife and her son is mentioned as the son of Ashish Sharma. But as a rival claimant, Namita Sharma has come. So therefore, both of you are directed. आप order पढ़ लीजिए, Annexure P5. Both of you are directed to approach the civil court, make the other person a party, and obtain a succession certificate. This is the order which was challenged by Namita Sharma before the tribunal. And I opposed it, and Railway also strongly supported me, my lord. Railway return is there. Railway return said that Railway return is there at page number 60. I am reading. On verification of the record, it is revealed that on 17/12/13, during his service, deceased employee submitted past declaration declaring the names and ages of family members as follows. Number 1, Mithilesh Sharma. Number 2, Subh Sharma, my son. That the veracity of the above records related to the dependent family members according to past declaration is being corroborated with the documentary proof, that is letter dated 16/2/2015 issued by the incharge senior section engineer. Railway मतलब मेरे पक्ष में बोला. फिर उसके बाद my lord, we can just turn over.
Now, what is the proof of your marriage?
Lord, the annexure. I have certified marriage certificate is on record, my lord. Page number 35.
Has she stayed with him ever?
For a few years, my lord.
No. The court records after the marriage she remained at her parents' house.
For 2 years,
What is-
she was.
Where is the marriage certificate?
Is number 35, my lord. Of my miscellaneous petition.
Your MP.
Yes, my lord. The petitioner has not annexed any document showing their marriage or the divorce decree between the respondent number 3 and
Her
the
name is registered in the records of the authorities.
regarding same, I have also
There is a
annexed the
child. With you, there is nothing.
The nomination was done in the year 2014, my lord, just before the death of the deceased employee, my lord. I have been married to the deceased employee in the year 2002.
Was your nomination ever done
35.
before
No, my lord, never.
then?
Regarding same also, my lord, as page number 7, I have annexed the judgment, my lord, mentioned a judgment whereby, despite dominating the name of the family members, my lord, the first right is of the legally wedded wife, my lord. My case is that, my lord, I am the first.
Where is the evidence of your marriage?
marriage
Any
certificate is the marriage, my lord.
acknowledgement by the husband that you were ever married to him?
The marriage certificate is there, my lord, page number
What is
35.
the value of this marriage certificate? We don't know what is this document.
Registration number is also mentioned in there, my lord.
He has, in any document, has he acknowledged you as a wife?
In the department, no, my lord, no documents.
Not department, any document anywhere.
There's an affidavit of separation, my lord. There's an affidavit of separation, my lord, whereby the
Where is that document?
I filed page number 79 of my petition. That is signed by Namita only. Husband ने कहा
affidavit, sir.
आशीष शर्मा.
Page number?
I have filed it at page number 79.
70.
Is Namita Sharma, and page number 80 is Ashish Sharma, which she showed. It is nowhere in the record, Lord. Now everyone has died, so as Ashish Sharma has died, not possible to.
But there's an affidavit of Ashish Sharma, my lord, deceased employee.
What does he say?
Affidavit says, my lord, यह कि मेरा विवाह नमिता शर्मा पुत्री स्वयंसो से 20 जून 2002 को गायत्री शक्तिपीठ हिंदू रीति रिवाज के अनुसार साक्षी मानकर भगवान को साक्षी मानकर हुआ था। यह कि मेरे विवाह के दूसरे दिन से ही मेरा व मेरी पत्नी का एक दूसरे के प्रति व्यवहार अच्छा नहीं रहा। 15 दिन बाद ही मेरी पत्नी अपने मायके आ गई। तब से अब तक हमारे बीच कोई संबंध नहीं रहा, ना ही हमारे बीच किसी प्रकार का लेन देन है। मैं अपने स्वयं की मर्जी से अपने भविष्य को ध्यान में रखते हुए सुखी एवं तनाव रहित जीवन जीने के लिए नमिता शर्मा को तलाक विवाह विच्छेद कर दिया है। इसे भगवान को साक्षी मानकर हमारे रीति रिवाज के अनुसार विवाह विच्छेद कर दिया गया है। यह कि आज के बाद मेरा नमिता शर्मा से कोई संबंध नहीं और न मैं भविष्य में कोई संबंध रहेगा। मैं नमिता शर्मा को पूर्णतः स्वतंत्र मानता हूँ। वे भविष्य में दूसरी शादी करने को स्वतंत्र है। मैं राजी खुशी से शपथ पत्र बिना किसी दबाव आएगा।
Are you disputing this document?
Pardon?
Are you disputing this document?
Yeah, I don't know about anything about this.
Well, who's produced this document?
They have produced.
My lord,
With a view to assist my lord, I have produced all the record which was there.
My lord, may I humbly submit.
Not the whole story as I humbly submitted, Lord.
The respondent department has mentioned this document.
It's very small.
Department has mentioned.
I have no idea. I have,
But they have replied, they have
This
annexed.
is
I have not-
copy DRF.
I have not produced this document.
You
Who has the department?
R3 of the reply, my lord.
Only thing is, Lord, when the dispute was there, I will read, Lord, what the stand of the railway was. That will make my Lord's query absolutely clear. May I invite my Lord's kind attention to page number 62 of my writ petition, which is annexure P11. P11 is the return of the state of the railway department, Lord.
Mr. Rupra, assuming this position were to be correct, then what will happen?
Pardon?
If this position were to be correct, that she was in fact married to him, and this is how they obtained divorce, what would happen?
My Lord, as I humbly submitted, there was a dispute between two ladies. The railway passed an order dated 5/3/50.
Oh, that is all right.
Huh.
You see, if she is the married wife
And divorcee.
and divorce has not happened,
Huh.
then
To ascertain what is correct and what is, let us examine the return of the railway administration. That is my
railway will
humble.
not be able to assist us on this. They are not experts in Hindu law.
Absolutely not.
Any possibility of a settlement between the parties?
No question. I am not settling, Lord. I am
Or
not-
then either it will be 100% you or
Because I have
100%
not seen her, Lord.
Mr. Rupra,
Yes, Lord.
either it will be you 100% or her 100%.
No, either I will succeed, my Lord.
That's what we are saying. Either you'll get 100% or you get 0 and she gets 100%. Or you both settle and
Lord,
divide it.
in all humility at my command, Lord.
50-50%.
What I humbly
We
submit.
don't know what percentage, that is something which the parties have to consider.
As per the railway rule, my lord.
Yes, my lord.
Please examine the matter and discuss with the client whether she is willing to explore the possibility of a settlement. We are not saying you must settle, it's your discretion. If you decide not to settle, then it will be either 100 or 0, nothing in between.
Yes.
So, examine the matter and get back to us. You also take instructions. If both of you say no settlement or either of you say no settlement, we'll hear the matter and decide. If both of you come on because we've had cases where parties have settled, then let's forget about the dispute and let's do it in this fashion.
My lord.
And both gain. Or one of you loses 100%, other gets.
I humbly submit, my lord. I will like to argue, my lord.
Sorry?
I think what I feel, I may be wrong. I always take the best decision as per my जितनी भी मेरे को होती है. मेरे को लग रहा है कि she is Mr. No One, she should not get anything. She is Mr. No One, my lord. Namita is Mr. No One. She appeared as if from nowhere.
There is what the affidavit says. शादी के 10 दिन बाद से हम अलग हैं, 15 दिन से.
जी सर.
So obviously she is no longer is alive.
एक पैराग्राफ पढ़ लें, फिर आप जो बोलेंगे वो कर. एक पैराग्राफ पढ़ लें. Page number 62. This is a part of the return of the railway administration.
Yes.
Page number 62 of my OA, my lord. That is annexure P11. Annexure P11 का internal page number 5.
Yes.
देखिए पहले तो उन्होंने बोल दिया कि नाम मिथिलेश का था. फिर पैरा 10 में बोला Roman 10. Before initiation of the process, according to succession certificate, the so-called first wife, Namita Sharma, filed the instant case before the Honorable Tribunal, challenging the order dated 5/3/15, in which an advice was made by the answering respondent to her, along with her two claimants, for producing succession certificate against the last entire settlement dues on death of the employee Ashish Sharma. The applicant has filed the instant OA before the tribunal claiming the amount of pension and other settlement benefits of late Ashish Sharma. As per the extant rules, the legally wedded wife is entitled for grant of family pension and other retirement benefits after death of deceased employee. Here, in the instant case, there is no nomination executed by Ashish Sharma during his lifetime in favor of the applicant as his wife. However, Mithilesh Sharma as wife and Shubh Sharma as son has been declared in past declaration form by Ashish Sharma during his lifetime. According to succession case, the civil court has issued decree for payment of retirement benefits in favor of Mithilesh Sharma as wife and Chandrakanta Sharma as mother. The applicant was also party in this case and failed to obtain order of this Honorable Civil Court in her favor as legal representative of deceased employee. The answering respondent, with intent to avoid multiplicity of litigation, advised them for obtaining succession certificate from the court of law in regard to the dispute of their heirship of the deceased employee. It is well known to the applicant that she had been made party in the succession matter and had to approach the civil court and could put up her claim by filing necessary objection. This 5/15, in which she was impleaded as non-applicant number 2, has been decided against her. If aggrieved, she should have challenged the succession order before the appellate court rather than filing the instant OA. Lord, then again page number 65. At the bottom, my lord, as to para 5.1 and 5.4, इस पेज नंबर 65 की आखिरी 6 लाइनें पढ़ूंगा सर, 7-8 लाइनें. As there is no stay order against the decree of civil court in succession matter and any order of the higher court for not proceeding payment to the decree holder of succession case, as such, as per the legal position of this case, at present there may be no embargo for the answering respondent to issue PPO and other dues in favor of the decree holder as per the order dated 28/11/15 passed in case of 5 number 5/15. Now, my lord, what is the impugned order which both of us have challenged, my lord? That annexure P1 may kindly be seen, my lord. Annexure P1, Railway had taken a decision that they are going to pay me all the terminal benefits. Now what the tribunal says, my lord? Tribunal page number, internal, annexure P1 is the order, my lord. Internal page number 11 and running page number 30. Last line पढ़ूंगा जी. para 15. Accordingly, this original application is disposed of with the direction to the respondents to disburse 50% of family pension to the applicant. ठीक है जी. This is the order, my lord. Now, this order has been stayed. But what the railway authority, Lord, that day I'm very sorry, I could not appear, my junior appeared. What was the interim relief which I had claimed from this honorable court? Was, my lord, my prayer for interim relief was that at interim order restraining respondent number 1 and 2 from making any payment on account of family pension of late Ashish Sharma, to that extent, be pleased to stay the operation of the order in CAT. The Honorable Court be further pleased to direct the respondents to continue the payment of family pension only to the petitioner on the basis of the previous order dated 5/3/15 and in view of the succession certificate which has been obtained by the present petitioner on 28/11/15. That 5/3/15, my lord, I have filed as annexure P5. Annexure P5 may please be seen. Annexure P5
have you been getting it all these years?
Pardon?
This pension, etc. Are you in receipt of it?
I was getting
From?
I was getting 50%, Lord, she was not getting any.
With effect from?
With effect after the passing of this judgment, Lord, 4 महीने की मिली irregulars.
2000 succession certificate 2016.
Pardon?
After this judgment of March 2024.
No, not after the judgment. After the judgment of the tribunal dated 22/3/24.
So 20 इस judgment impugned order के बाद मिली है ना?
Impugned order के
Not
बाद
after the succession certificate.
succession certificate
Succession certificate
के बाद नहीं मिली
2016
because of the pendency of the OA. Succession certificate के बाद I did not get.
Did you get the arrears?
No, I did not get the arrears. Now, Lord, when this, my Lord was pleased to pass the interim order, staying the operation of this order, so whatever I was getting, और मेरा client बोला, Rupra sir, don't go for a stay order because they are going to give me 5-7 lakhs or 10 lakhs, some big amount, 50%, और 50% इसके लिए रखेंगे, तो आप stay मत लीजिएगा. मैंने बोला नहीं, I will get a stay as far as her interest is concerned. Now, unfortunately, that day I was not there, so my Lord only passed a simple order.
Now you are here.
I'm here.
We've heard you, and we are maintaining that order.
Yes. Now,
And
Lord,
Mr. Rupra,
I'm sure
we are maintaining that interim order of stay of both, because it will either be 100% or 0%. There will be no midway.
Interim order, I was also getting 50%, my lord. In last month, my lord.
If you both are happy, we'll maintain 50-50. Otherwise, in our view, either it's 100 or 0. There are two
ठीक है जी, my lord, I will know
Mr. Rupra,
bargain.
Mr.
because
Rupra,
पेट में खाने कुछ नहीं है, 50 चलेगा सर.
1 second. What we are voicing is the issues which are arising in our mind, which we were discussing,
Yes.
are 2-3 folds.
Yes.
Firstly, whether there can be a succession certificate for pension. That is first, because what we are proposing to do is list it for hearing. And why we are voicing this is so that you are ready to answer those questions.
Yes, yes.
Whether there can be succession certificate granted for the right to claim pension. That's first question. Secondly, whether the person who is holder of succession certificate becomes an owner of the asset or that person only receives the asset and then gives it to the owner. In both situations, ultimately the question will be, is she the lawfully wedded wife or are you the lawfully wedded wife? So that is one problem which will come. That is why we said, we don't know which way we'll decide because prima facie, this is a debatable issue which requires consideration. We can either maintain the stay order, keep it on a short date. If you both make a statement that as of now give us 50-50,
Yes, my
but
lord.
arrears can't be given right now.
अरे ना दीजिए, हम रोटी नहीं खा सकते सर, बड़ी
तो फिर इशू ये है या तो और you both settle, arrears भी डिवाइड कर लो, पेंशन भी डिवाइड कर लो और फ्यूचर के लिए भी
I've got one child also. I've got one child also to maintain.
arrears में भी तो 3-4 लाख रुपए मिल जाएंगे अगर 50-50 करते हैं. That is why we
नहीं 50-50 का है को फिर because
we don't know what percentage we don't know what percentage you both will divide at. Why we suggested was because we felt it was a debatable issue. It could go either way. So, and both of you are not in a position to sustain yourselves independently.
हाँ ये सर.
दोनों की हालत बहुत
नहीं ये तो बहुत अच्छी है. ये तो 15 दिन के बाद she did not see आशीष शर्मा.
No, वो
That is
अलग
her
चीज
case.
है. वो अलग चीज है. माली हालत कैसी है we don't know.
अच्छा मालिया. No, she is living with the man. That's what subsequently I inquired. She is living with the man.
If she is married, she'll
Yeah, she is living with the
अगर
man.
शादी होगी तो
not
फिर मैरिज हो जाएगी.
She is not married, my
फिर
lord.
वैसे ही बंद हो जाएगी.
She is very
not married, my lord.
तो why don't and if he is saying ये सबूत लेके आ जाएंगे आपकी तो बंद हो जाएगी.
I'll verify, but as per my knowledge, she is not married, my lord.
About your knowledge, what we are saying is दोनों तरफ matter can swing. So दोनों बैठ के बात कर लीजिए. अगर सेटलमेंट हो सकता है ठीक है.
सर तब तक
नहीं हो सकता.
50-50 हम लोगों का.
आप हमें 2 दिन में बता दीजिए.
हैं?
ट्यूसडे को बता दीजिए.
नहीं आप ना मेरा निवेदन है. Humble request. I am not dictating. I am only making a very humble prayer. My lord, let areas be there only. और आज की करंट सैलरी
Mr.
हम
Rupra.
लोग करंट फैमिली पेंशन आधी आधी कर.
Mr. Rupra, let's be we'll voice everything. We'll keep it on Tuesday.
Yes, madam.
आप दोनों अगर सेटलमेंट मेन पे कर सके कि भी टोटल को ऐसे डिवाइड कर दो ठीक है. नहीं हुआ अगर आप दोनों कहते हैं 50-50 कर दो तो 50-50 इंटरिम आप दोनों की कंसेंट से करके हम चला देंगे. अगर कहते हैं नहीं
तो
0 या 100 then we'll make 0 and list it for you. We are voicing all three situations.
we'll make it 0 and list it of unlayering. अच्छा.
तीन
बहुत
situations.
मुश्किल है. Poverty is coming in my way. That's the whole problem.
आपस में सेटलमेंट कर लेना. आपस में सेटलमेंट कर लीजिए. इधर सेटल करेंगे तो हम बैठ लें कंप्रोमाइज करो.
पूछना अगर गाइड चल रही है कोई इशू नहीं है.
अच्छी क्वेश्चन
बात करने तो जैसा
अपन दोनों
सब बात करने से तो अभी जो फाइनल साल करते हैं 50% बैटरी यूज करते हैं बस फिर बात करते हैं इसलिए चल के देखिए सबमिट कर टॉपिक करेंगे जो पूरा करेक्ट है से कंफर्म कर दूंगा ठीक है कि नहीं आप रेडी हो क्योंकि गाइड नहीं रहा.
Mr. Rupra, my learned brother judge points out that there can't be a division of ratios. It'll either be 0, 50-50 or 100.
Either 0 or 50.
Either 0 for you or 0 for him. That is
Either
100
0 for me or 0 for him.
or 100 for you or 100 for him. That's one situation. Or 50-50.
अच्छा. और ये परसेंटेज नहीं हो सकता.
So as per the rules, there can't be a percentage.
75 of the
Because entitlement to family pension is only to a widow, not to the son.
research कर.
So that is the situation. आप देख लो. Arrears
Research and little bit of I think
arrears को आप जैसे मर्जी डिवाइड कर लीजिए उसका कोई दिक्कत
family pension.
नहीं, if we divide among ourselves,
नहीं. Arrears you can divide for future family pension. It will either be 50-50 or 100-100.
Equally divided in two parts.
I humbly request, Lord, that can we settle that I will get 25 or I will get 25.
That's what learned brother is pointing out.
नहीं नहीं, हम लोग का compromise.
As per rules, the department can't issue, no?
अच्छा.
Therefore, Rule 75-7, but retains where the family pension is
Lives.
the family pension shall be divided into those
Equally divided.
अरियर्स को आप जैसे मर्जी कर लो।
अच्छा, अरियर्स का कुछ नहीं,
अरियर्स को तो अक्रू हो गया, अब तो एसेट बन गया है ना वो, उसको आप दोनों सेट
but
करो।
family pension, my lord is saying only
50-50.
either 50-50 or 100-0.
If you don't settle, then
Let us study and let us sit over a cup of tea.
that's what. And you being the senior, you'll have to treat him to the cup.
Yes, that will be my proud privilege, my lord.
So when do you want it?
Tuesday is a good
Tuesday.
day. Tuesday.
Say arguments heard in part and request to counsel for the parties, list for further hearing on Tuesday.
I thought I will win this case, Lord. That's what I thought. Anyway,
We don't know. We all learn, Mr. Rupra, every day.
as I said, superior wisdom always flows from the pen of the honorable courts. I'll see to it. Tuesday, next.
Tuesday.
See, very well.